Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading mechanical 3D modeling company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted and reliable provider of high-quality mechanical 3D modeling services. Their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering innovative and accurate 3D models that meet the specific requirements of their clients. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Private Ltd is their deep understanding of mechanical engineering principles and their ability to apply them effectively in creating 3D models. They have a strong grasp of various software tools and techniques that enable them to accurately represent complex mechanical components and assemblies in a virtual environment. This allows their clients to visualize and analyze their designs before moving into the production phase, reducing the risk of errors and saving valuable time and resources. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd follows a systematic approach to mechanical 3D modeling, ensuring that each project is executed with precision and attention to detail. They begin by thoroughly studying the client's requirements and specifications, gaining a clear understanding of the desired outcome. This is followed by meticulous planning and conceptualization, where the team works collaboratively to develop the most effective design solution. Once the design concept is finalized, Scon Design India Private Ltd employs advanced 3D modeling software to create virtual representations of the mechanical components. Their skilled engineers meticulously model each part, considering factors such as dimensions, materials, and functionality. The result is a highly accurate and realistic 3D model that can be used for various purposes such as design validation, simulation, and prototyping. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading mechanical 3D modeling company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. The company specializes in providing high-quality 3D modeling services for various mechanical applications. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we understand the importance of accurate and detailed 3D models in the mechanical industry. Our team of skilled professionals is well-versed in the latest software and techniques to create precise and realistic 3D models. Whether it is for product design, prototyping, or simulation, our mechanical 3D modeling services can cater to the specific needs of our clients. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd as your mechanical 3D modeling company is our commitment to delivering exceptional quality. We believe in going above and beyond to ensure that our clients receive the best